Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel My Project Ideas. In this video, we'll be discussing a Python-based application to convert an audiobook from PDF. Means you will give a PDF file format in the form of input to our program, and that program will read each and every line of content of PDF and convert that PDF file into an audio format. Isn't it interesting, guys? So, as far as requirements of this particular application is concerned, it requires Python and all the libraries installed, that is PyTTX3 and PyPDFBook 2, and a Visual Studio Code or any other code editor in which Python can be installed and run. Just make sure, guys, that you have all the necessary libraries installed on your system to run this particular application. So, with that being said, let's get started and have a look on the code of this particular application. So guys, initially we have imported the two libraries, that is PyTTX3, that stands for Python text to speech conversion, and PyPDF2, which helps to interact with the PDF format files in Python. Then we have imported each and every module of Tinker. Next, we have asked a user to input a PDF file format in the variable named as book. So user will enter the any PDF file format. Just make sure guys that it should be a PDF file format, and that PDF file format will get converted into an audio format once you hit the run button. So initially we have asked the user to get the PDF file format. Next, what we have done is, using the pypdf2.pdf file reader module, we have passed this book parameter into this PDF reader. So next what we have done is, we have scanned the number of pages. So this what this particular program will do. Once it gets executed, it will scan each and every number of pages first and will read each and every content of that particular file format. So we have implemented a for loop. Initially what we have done is, we have imported all the libraries, all the modules that we needed to build this application. Then we have asked the user to give the input in the form of PDF file format. So I think we should make sure guys, that it should be a PDF file form. PDF file form. Okay. So now what we have done is, we have created a new variable named as PDF reader, on which we have called the PDF file reader function of PyPDF2 module into this book variable. This function, this particular code applet, will read the PDF contents, and from pages to pages it will start reading it into a audio format. It will start reading the contents of PDF book using this particular code applets. What we have done is, we have implemented a for loop first from 0 to pages. Then we have initiated a variable page that will get the will scan the page. Then that will extract the text from that page and will start reading it. As you can see that Python text to speech library .init function is called. Init is a constructor basically. The object is instantiated, class is made at the backend side, and now what this player is doing is seeing the text of that particular page. So I hope guys the code is understandable enough and precise enough. Let's see the power of Python, and let's hit the run button, and we'll give a PDF file format to our program, and our program will read the content or will convert that PDF file format into an audio format. So let's run it. It's running. So as you can see that this particular program is asking us to give a PDF file format. So I am giving my resume, Sarthak's resume, and once I open it, it will start reading it. The Python program will start reading it. Will match each and everything with that output. So be ready, guys, to match the Python program output and your actually PDF file format. You will find it very interesting. So you are requested to please open your file format or the PDF file you are giving to the system, in order to get and match and verify that whether our Python program is reading our PDF file format in a proper way or not. So let me first open this particular my PDF file that I need to give into the Python program. So this is my resume. So let's do this. Let's do split screen here, and yeah, it's again asking me for PDF file. So there is my PDF file. It's here.
Sarthak Gupta. Technical Associate Trainee. I am a passionate, enthusiastic, and hardworking person looking for a challenging role in a reputable organization to utilize my skills for the organization's growth and to enhance my knowledge of the emerging trends in IT. Sarthak2gpt@gmail.com. 909-800-5042. Indore, India. Education. Engineering, Information Technology. Medi, CAPS University. August 2019, present. Indore. XIF.
So guys, as you can see that my resume was reading by my Python program. So isn't it interesting? You can give n thousand number of books of PDF format in order to get more understandable of text written in the PDF format or the contents in the PDF format. So guys, isn't it interesting? So use this Python power to get your book or your any content or your novel to get in the audio format, so you can merge your technology and can increase your comprehension skills. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this particular video. Please do subscribe to our channel My Project Ideas in order to get some more interesting stuffs in technical domains. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video.